Today I'm going to talk about the fantasy machine and what an idiot I was yesterday. I was trying to put a mandrel in to demonstrate something, and I couldn't get the bit and the collet and all that stuff in. I finally just gave up. So this morning I hit up Robert Mendoza at Ultratech, the engineer, and I'm like, man, I shot him a video. I'm just like, it won't go. It won't screw on. What's the problem? I'll show you what I did. And it's me. It's all me. I'll get into that in a minute. Hold on. So here we are. Here's our doohickey. So we'll take this off. So here I was with the nut that goes on there. And then, say I want to put this in there first, right? So I have the collet, and that's this. These come in the variety of sizes for the different bits. So of course you got to put that in first, right? And then I put this on, and it just won't go on. I mean, I was literally 10 minutes, and it's like it's crooked. It misthreads. What's the problem? I put this in and tried it. So I take this off, and then let's see. Will it go on without it? Oh. Look at that. No problem. So then I said, oh, okay, let me try again. I put this in here. Oh, it's driving me crazy. So I hit up Mendoza, and he goes, Dave, he's like the most calm guy. Dave, look inside the nut. That's the locking. I'm like, what are you talking? And then it started sounding familiar. I'm like, I think you told me this last year. So you see how it's asymmetrical in there. And this is American, this is Yankee engineering, American engineering right here. So cool. So it's that. And then so you take this guy and your collet that you're going to use. Let me put the big one. Okay. And you snap the collet in because it has this. Now let me get it out so I can show you. Come here. Come out. It has this little ring. So you take this and you snap this in first. Now watch. Oh. It screws right on. Ay, ay, ay. And then of course you can add your bit and then tighten this down with a wrench. And off you go. So if you want to know how to not do it, I can show you that. But now I remember, snap the collet into the nut first on your fantasy machine, then screw it in and then add your bit and your mandrel.